Rip to all the fallen soldiers, guys. What just happened for Bitcoin has not happened in such a long time. Shit went absolutely crazy. Oh boy, a lot of people lost a lot of money. I lost a little bit of money myself. I got almost liquidated out of my Pepe long position, which is down 6 grand right now. But we keep on going and we keep on buying other coins and keep on trading. So what is currently happening for Bitcoin? What happened yesterday? Well, we can all see right now that Bitcoin dropped more than, it's crazy, more than 50% in a single day basically. In a few days, Bitcoin dropped 15%. Of course, yesterday we already saw a massive dump, started to dump. And then, yesterday evening, Bitcoin went crazy. Within one 15-minute candle, Bitcoin went down 9%. This is something I have not seen in a really long time. This shit is absolutely crazy. And in this video I will just discuss why this happened. Of course I was wrong on my prediction, but a lot of people were wrong. And this is a type of price action that is not natural, and someone caused this price action. And in this video I will show you guys what this price action actually caused. So yeah, let's just immediately start with what caused this price action. Well, first of all, we got news that SpaceX sold more than $373 million worth of Bitcoin. We can see unpacking SpaceX Bitcoin 2021-2022 sales worth 373 million. Now do note that they didn't sold that yesterday. However, that did cause a lot of panic because Elon Musk behind SpaceX, and then that caused a lot of panic. Then we also got China. China caused a massive drop for Bitcoin as well, because one of the largest banks in China actually fell for bankruptcy. Not a large bank, but a really big bank in China fell for bankruptcy, which was also not really good at all. Then the third reason why we dumped is simply because Bitcoin just was not doing anything for so long. We can see here on the 3-day time frame, Bitcoin was ranging for more than 75 days in about a 8% price range if we count in the wicks. If we don't count in the wicks, then it's going to be absolutely brutal. Then it's only about 5% for more than 75 days. That's crazy. And at some point the volume just keeps on dropping, and then the volume has to spike up, and something like this, a massive event has to take place. Do note that this is a really good time to maybe take in some trades. So if you want to trade over on Bybit, first link in the description, claim those deposit bonuses. Now, what am I expecting for Bitcoin? Of course, my last prediction was not correct at all, unfortunately, because all the patterns that were actually bullish patterns broke to the downside. And that is simply because, let me just quickly check the chart. This chart, that was simply because we all know I was talking about this massive upward sloping support line, and we just broke it. We broke it, and the second we broke this massive support line, we just went downhill like crazy. We can see we actually blasted through the first area of massive support, and now we're actually not even at the second area of support. So we can see that this dump happened so quickly that on the BTC USD pair, the index, we didn't drop that much. Or if we look at any exchange, because exchanges have different charts, of course. For example, on the Binance chart, Binance exchange chart, we can see that Bitcoin dropped all the way, wicked all the way down to $25,000. And that is our next area of big support. However, on the BTC USD chart, which means there are all the crypto charts basically put together, no exchanges, nothing, we can see that Bitcoin only dumped to $25,700, which is a $700 difference, which is quite a lot. So that is why I am still expecting for Bitcoin to reach $25,000 in the next couple of days. Bitcoin always goes and fill up those wicks. I see this happen a lot. Bitcoin just tends to fill up those wicks after a massive event, especially because we saw such a big wick. There's a really big chance that we are going to see something like this, flush out the early longers, and then we are slowly going to reverse probably, because we all know that at $25,000 we of course have massive support. if I actually extend this line, we can see how big the support is at $25,000. It's absolutely crazy. We can also see that here we have a lot of support as well. This support is really big, and that's why we are probably going to get hold up, and I don't think we're going to push any lower for now. However, what I do have to say is that Bitcoin is not looking quite bullish in a longer time frame. We were making a really good uptrend. The uptrend was maybe a little bit slow, but we kept on being in an uptrend, and I was expecting something like this. But now we broke the uptrend with a single red candle, and this could potentially put us in a little bit of a downtrend, and maybe we could potentially see something like this. And just slowly making lower lows, which is going to be pretty bearish for Bitcoin. That is one of the things I'm currently looking at, because Bitcoin is just not in an uptrend anymore. We broke the uptrend. This 6-month uptrend just got broken with one single candle. It's absolutely crazy. And now Bitcoin could potentially start to get into a slow downtrend, maybe all the way to 20k again, and from there we could potentially go up to 50 and all-time highs again, because the halving is getting closer. We're already trading almost in September right now, and the halving is only in April, so we're about 6 months away, which is really close. So this is the best time to start accumulating a lot of Bitcoins and a lot of assets if you want to start trading, of course, or if you want to just hodl to the moon, because Bitcoin will go to all-time high when the halving takes place. There's a really big chance that's going to happen, like 99.9% chance of that happening. And yeah, under $30,000 in my opinion is the best time to accumulate Bitcoin, because if we go to all-time high, you have at least an 2x, and if we go higher, you have even more. So yeah, I will happily buy any Bitcoin under 30k. I will just try to buy as much Bitcoin, of course not only Bitcoin, also Ethereum and all those coins, just under 30k is a really good opportunity. Also, my Pepe long position, of course, it's still down more than 6k. However, I already talked about this on my other video. I am still going to add more to this Pepe long position. I think this shit's going to make me a lot of money. Bitcoin is just looking to go up in the next few months, maybe not in the next few months, but Bitcoin tends to go up always, especially with the halving, and Pepe will just follow. I think Pepe will still do something the same like Shiba Inu. So if you want to trade Pepe, any other cryptocurrency, first link in the description. I've put in this jacket for you guys. I've put on this jacket for you because Bitcoin went absolutely crazy yesterday, and I know my prediction was wrong, but I still want to go and make new predictions for you guys and just analyze the markets for you guys. So yeah, like I said, potentially we get into some kind of a downtrend all the way to $20,000 again. There's a really big chance that's going to happen. We all know at least that we broke this downtrend, which is not bullish at all. We broke the downtrend, we broke the uptrend, of course, We broke the uptrend, and now we're going to start getting into a potential downtrend. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. I hope you could still like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment something if you like this video or not. And that being said, I hope guys, I will see you in my next Bitcoin video.